Stop using boring splits. Do this instead. Want to know how? Hey everyone! Welcome to Video Tools Lab. Let's simplify it. First, import the videos you want to use in the collage video. Also, import a green screen mobile frame. You can select a background video from the library. Here, I have already selected one for this video. Now, let's add everything to the timeline one by one. Keeping a good sequence will simplify your work and make it easier. Add the green screen mobile and place it on the left side. Add another and place it in the center and one more on the right side. Select all the mobiles and adjust their size and placement on the screen. Selecting them together will keep the size consistent for all of them. Now, add the first video on the layer below the left mobile. Add the second video on the layer below the centered mobile, and the third video below the right mobile. Remember, we have added them to the correct layers, but they are not yet positioned correctly on the screen. For now, adjust the duration of all clips according to the smallest clip. The actual duration will be adjusted later. Next, select each video clip and move it to its correct position. Here, I tell you a fast way to position the clips exactly behind the mobiles. To find the right position, check the X and Y values of the mobile frame in Properties and apply the same values to the video clip. Here, you can see the X value of the mobile is -1023 and Y is 0. So we set the same X and Y values for the first video clip below the left mobile. Repeat the same process for the second and third videos by matching their X and Y values with the centered and right side mobiles. After that, adjust the video clip size to match the mobile's green screen area. If the size is not adjusting properly, like in this case, as I zoom in, you'll notice that part of the video is visible outside the mobile frame. Crop the extra part so the video fits perfectly under the mobile. Do the same for the other two clips to fit them under their mobiles. Now, let's remove the green screen from the mobiles. Select the mobile, go to the Remove Background tab, and enable Chroma Key. The color picker will activate automatically. Click on the green screen of the mobile. Adjust the intensity, feather edge, and clean up edge sliders until everything looks clean. Note these values and apply the same settings to the other two green screen mobiles. This will save you time. But wait, where are you going? Stay here! We're about to add an amazing effect. Create a compound clip for the first video and the left mobile, a second compound clip for the second video and the center mobile, and a third compound clip for the third video and the right mobile. After increasing the duration of the background video, we will freeze the first video when the camera flashes by trimming the extra part and freezing the last frame. To learn exactly how to freeze a frame, watch the video linked in the I button. I've already explained the full method there. Back to this video, adjust the duration of the freeze frame. The second video will start when the last frame of the first video freezes. Select the frame of the second video to freeze it, remove the extra part, and adjust the freeze frame duration. Do the same for the third video. Finally, add a nice in animation to all video clips. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more amazing tutorials. Bye!